Today we are going to learn about neutralization reaction. We all know about acid and base, and we are aware of the acid that is produced in our stomach. Basically I am talking about HCl. HCl in our stomach helps to kill germs and breakdown of food molecules into simpler substance. Today we are going to learn about the neutralization reactions. So when do we need neutralization reaction? Sometimes the acid that is produced in our stomach is produced in excess amount of quantity, and to neutralize this acidic effect we treat this excess amount of acid with a base that is a weak base. Here I have HCl. So the acid that is produced in our stomach is basically the diluted one, so I am going to add some water in it. Now to neutralize this reaction we are going to use milk of magnesia, which is also a weak base. Now this is a reaction occurring inside the conical plaques. Now we all see there is a white color substance formed. This is nothing but the salt. It is a mixture of salt and water. Thank you. We all know that light is a form of energy and travels in a straight line. However, the path of light changes when it moves from one medium to another, such as from denser medium to rarer medium or vice versa. This phenomena is known as refraction of light. Today, we will observe the phenomenon of refraction using the laser and the glass lamp. For this, first I have to switch off the light. Now, we all can see the point. Now, this is the point of incidence. This means this is a incidence ray, and here we can see the reflected ray, the ray traveling that is bending towards the normal, and here we have the emergent ray. Okay, so the refraction of light explains that when the light is passing from one medium, that is here we can see the medium over here is air, and then the medium has changed as the light entered the point of incidence. Now this is the glass material, so the medium is much more different from what we are experiencing right now in the air. So we can observe the bending of light, and this phenomenon is called as refraction of. Let us talk about diffusion. What is diffusion? So diffusion is a process by which a particle spread from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Basically, diffusion occurs naturally due to the random motions of particle and does not require any energy. In biological context, oxygen diffuses from alveoli to the blood in the lungs, and in chemistry or physics, gaseous or liquid molecules also diffuse. Perfume scent can be one of the best example. So to proceed with the experiment, we need two glass filled with water. One is with the one of the glass is filled with the hot water, whereas the other one is filled with cold. Now I have a color over here, and let us mix it. Angle change करना. Pause. So the things that we can note over here is the diffusion in hot water. The color will spread out much faster as compared to the hot water. So we can conclude by saying that diffusion happens faster in higher temperature because the particles in hot water move more quickly